वेलकम हो गया जी एन सत्य जनाब बस इतने आप पढ़ रहे हैं पेपर की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तुम आओ मुलाकात करो तो चले जाओ ठीक है ओके हो गया जनाब I dashed this motorbike only a month ago. I bought. We dashed in the sun for an hour. He has been standing. He has been standing. He has been standing in that as is raining. I asked her what please. She he asked her what place she dashed in. She had visited. She has visited. He has visited. He has visited. Told. Had visited. Had visited. This means that the Pakistan they form the end of the air. They had left. They had left. The form they had left. Will have left. They will have left. They will have left. Pakistan they form the end of the air. They will have left. They will have left. I also heard what place this had visited and they will have left. In hence, in actions, in hence, CHIVALY collaborative, CHIVALY collaborative, collaborative, customary, orphan, the orphan, और वेलकम हो गया जनाब जी आए ने साथ जनाब जी आए साथ वेलकम हो गया जनाब और सुना बाकी क्या हाल है थोड़ा ठीक हो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ठीक हो तो ठीक है भाईजान अगर मेरे चैनल पे नवा तो चैनल में सब्सक्राइब कर दे ते यूँ कर दे तो ना कर दे मर्जी The word insistence for which word means to identify the natural problem. Designs yarning the word can mean they are busy people. They are busy people. They will miss the music. First conditional. Anyone. Reflexive. Relative. Reflexive. Reflective terminology. Personal. Personal. Personal power to read audience practice concrete noise determinacy selective noise collective noun, audience, happy collective noun, personal collective noun, because he was late, he missed the first throw, dependent clause, dependent clause, dependent clause, following gerund. Who, why did he occur for this behavior? The occur for this behavior. Because thought begins, because thought begins, because thought begins. Welcome home, जी जनाब, जी आई एम सच बिस्मिल्लाह, जी जनाब, जी आई एम सच बिस्मिल्लाह. जनाब वेलकम हो गया, जनाब जी आई ने साथ बिस्मिल्लाह. The occur forgive the villager, the occur forgive the villager because they thought this act as divine, because they thought. भाईजान जी आई ने साथ बिस्मिल्लाह, वेलकम हो गया जनाब जी आई ने साथ बिस्मिल्लाह. अगर भाईजान चैनल पे नवे हैं तो चैनल में सब्सक्राइब कर लो. Because they thought this act as divine. Because they thought act divine. Because they thought this act and divine. Because they thought and act and divine. Because they thought this act and divine. Act and events because they thought this act and events because they thought this act and events लिखना है. why did the non-Muslim throat the Rasulullah non-Muslim throat the Rasulullah लाए. वेलकम हो गया जनाब जी आई बिस्मिल्लाह. वेलकम हो गया जनाब जी आई बिस्मिल्लाह. The Rasulullah, the non-Muslim trusted the Rasulullah because he was well known for his justice and decided case inquiry. The non-Muslim trusted the Rasulullah because he was well known for his justice and welcome हो गया जनाब जी आई ने साथ बिस्मिल्लाह. उम्मीद है अच्छी शख्सियत न लो तो जनाब जी आई ने साथ बिस्मिल्लाह डबल टैप कीजिए और नाल अगर जेड़ा भाई चैनल पे नवा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, ठीक है. और बाकी सुना दी नॉन मुस्लिम trusted the Rasulullah because they thought because he was well known for justice and decided case inquiry. He was well known for his justice and decided case decided case inquiry. The non-Muslim trusted the Rasulullah because he was well known justice and decided case and inquiry. Justice and decided decided case inquiry. Decided case in Q U equity, equity, equity. Why do Chinese New Year even dinner consist of 8 or 9 dishes? The Chinese, the Chinese, what the Chinese New Year, the Chinese New Year even dinner of great welcome over dinner and subject Mula. The dinner consists of 8 or 9 dishes because the dinner consists of 8 or 9 dishes because Chinese language 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 the word it means the word it means prosperity. The word it means prosperity. 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 And nine mean long lasting. The dinner the dinner consists of 8 or 9 dishes because the Chinese language the eight mean the word eight means prosperity. Prosperity. And word nine means long lasting and nine mean long lasting prosperity. Why do the rich and the poor live stand for the rich people? The rich and the rich and stand for the rich leaves stand for the rich people. The rich leaves stand for the poor leaves stand for the poor people. Which of the Chinese possible have interest you the most? Interest you the most. Interest. Interest. Interest you must. Interest the possibilities. The PROPS profession has interest you. The profession of CA and MAD8 IT have interest me most because these are heavy respects risky serious respects and paid profession I have paid profession.